Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an emergency contact to the Fly Delta application to your account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the account button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then you should slide to the right side at the top to the profile section. After that, you should scroll down till you find the international travel info section and click on the second option, emergency contact. Tap on add. And then you will be directed to a page where you should add emergency contact information. So type in the contact's first name, then their last name, select their country and type in their phone number. After that, click on the save button down below to save your emergency contact. So here it is. You will be able to tap on it and edit it anytime you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.